Hello everybody, so I just decided to pop up right now because I finished an astonishing book that I really want to recommend you guys, and that is Everything is Fucked by Mark Manson, which throughout his book he's talking about the thinking brain and the feeling brain and how exactly we operate our buying decision or our everything that we are doing during our life actually affect from our thinking brain and our feeling brain, which most of us think that our thinking brain is, let's say, the driver. Like, if we think that our thinking brain is on the action all the time, that he's doing the decision and he's the driver in the car, but actually it's quite the opposite goes. When our feeling brain is the one that drives and the thinking brain sit besides him and take him for direction. For example, when you're going and want to purchase something, let's say a brand new iPhone, so you start to justify for yourself why you want to buy this new iPhone, but it starts with a feeling. How will you feel when you have this new iPhone or a new Samsung or whatever? I'm just a huge fan of iPhone, so let's stick with that. So let's say you want to buy it, so you're feeling amazing when you want to buy this one. You're imagining yourself with this brand new iPhone, you're with this new device, and you're feeling amazing because it's a brand new, the status kind of rising up, and you're feeling good because you just buy it. And now how you justify it? Oh, I'm worth of that buying. I put a lot of effort, I deserve this iPhone. Oh yeah, actually it's time to make a change, so I want to make that change. And you start to justify it with the thinking brain by actually the feeling. It starts with a feeling inside of us. So let's say you want to eat something, let's say you want to eat donuts, so you justify why you want to eat that donut, but it's starting with a feeling. You know you will feel good when you eat it, but what happened afterward you don't think. You think about the instant feeling that will come with eating the donuts, with eating the pizza, with eating all the junk food there is. And then you start to justify it with a thinking brain. Oh, that's good. Oh, I will feel awesome. I deserve that donut. I worked hard today. Oh, I want just a bit break, so I deserve that pizza. So you buy that pizza, you buy that junk food. And that's how the thinking brain and the feeling brain actually work. But in this book, he's going even further, and he's going through religion, he's going through culture, for social media, and that's amazing how you start to actually understand how actually everything works with the feeling brain and the thinking brain. So if you already read that book, I would love to hear about it, so comment below. And if you're going to read it, just shout out heck yeah, that I know that you're going to read it. And we'll love to hear more thoughts about that. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, that I know that you want more recommendation books. And have an amazing and productive day. And if you're watching on YouTube, just hit the subscribe button to never miss out an episode, and have again an amazing and productive day. I will see you next time. That was live on my group.